Thank you, Senator. Your time is up. Senator Mugeni Eric.
Mr. Speaker, you know, we are paying the price for violating the intent of Kenyans when in 2010 they decreed that our cabinet secretary should be professionals. We have now turned politicians to be the ones standing in as cabinet secretaries, and they are doing politics, Mr. Speaker. And you can imagine this, the statement has been brought to the House by Samson Cherage from the majority side, the government side. So by the time even senators from majority side are raising these issues, Mr. Speaker, it means that things are getting out of hand. How many times do we want Kenyans to be killed before we take action? This weekend, we have people going to various places in this country, including in Kakamega. Some will be in Kisii next week. And then we come back here again lamenting that innocent Kenyans have been killed, Mr. Speaker. We must have some accountability. If it is the CS Interior who is masterminding this idea of police sending goons to attack other Kenyans, action should be taken. Just today, Mr. Speaker, an ex-president of South Korea, Yoon, has been jailed for life, Mr. Speaker, for the criminal acts he committed while he was in office. We must also send a statement that no Kenyan is above the law, Mr. Speaker. Nobody should be above the law, Mr. Speaker. We cannot be watching, Mr. Speaker, when we are talking about extrajudicial police killings, abuse of police authority. How can you have criminals carrying guns, Mr. Speaker? Raila Odinga used to tell us policemen are civilians wearing police uniforms. That's how it should be, Mr. Speaker. So I'm really making an appeal to these people who sit in IPOA. Please do something. We need to see people in jail, because if we don't take action.
Thank you, Honorable Senators. We have come to the end of the statements. We should proceed to the next order. But order number 8, we will have to defer because the majority leader is not around. Order number 9 is also deferred. And we will go to the next order. Clerk, read the next order.